Ever tried to win an argument online? It often feels like shouting into a void. But what if you could build a case so solid, so compelling, that it changes minds without raising your voice? That's the craft of written persuasion. Unlike a live debate, your words have to stand alone on the page. Readers can scrutinize every claim, so your argument needs to be bulletproof. It all starts with your contention, your main point. Saying climate change is bad is a feeling, not an argument. But a statement like, Australia should achieve 100% renewable energy by 2035 to create economic opportunities. Now that's a specific, arguable position you can build on. The strongest arguments follow a clear path. You present your proof systematically, using solid evidence. Think of it this way. Make your point, back it with evidence, explain why that evidence proves your point, and link it back to your main contention. And don't just dump statistics on the page. You have to explain their significance. Show the reader why they should care. But here's the move that builds real credibility. Address the counter-arguments. Don't pretend the opposition doesn't exist. Acknowledge their valid points and then demonstrate why your position is stronger. This doesn't weaken your case. It shows you've done your homework and you respect the reader's intelligence. It builds trust. Finally, use language that connects. Use metaphors that create vivid images and inclusive words like we and our to build common ground. This isn't about manipulation. It's about combining unshakable logic with an appeal to shared values. It's about building a case that respects complexity, stands up to scrutiny, and ultimately inspires action. Write with conviction, support with evidence, and your words will have real impact.